Hello, everyone. Welcome to Let's Chat English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jack. Hi, everyone.
How are you today, Jack?
I'm great, Emily. How about you?
I'm really good. I'm excited about today's topic.
Me too. Today, we're going to talk about something really fun.
Yes, we're going to talk about mistakes.
English mistakes. Everyone makes them.
That's right. When you learn English, you make mistakes, and that's okay.
It's very okay. We made many mistakes too.
Oh, yes. I remember my mistakes. Some were very funny.
Me too. I made so many funny mistakes.
So today, we will share our stories. We will talk about common mistakes.
Yes, pronunciation mistakes, grammar mistakes, and funny stories.
And we will help you learn the correct way.
So, are you ready to learn with us?
Great. Let's start.
Okay, Emily, let's start with a very common mistake.
Yes. This is a mistake I hear every day.
What is it?
Students say, "I'm agree." Do you know this mistake?
Oh, yes. So many people say this.
But it's wrong. You cannot say, "I'm agree."
That's right. The correct way is, I agree.
Just, "I agree." No M.
Can you explain why, Emily?
Sure. Agree is a verb. It's an action.
Yes, like run, or eat, or go.
Exactly. We don't say, "I'm run" or "I'm eat," right?
No, that sounds wrong.
So we also don't say, "I'm agree." We say, "I agree."
Let me give you some examples. Listen carefully.
Good idea.
Example 1. I agree with you.
Perfect. Example 2. Do you agree?
Example 3. Yes, I agree.
Now, let's practice. Listeners, repeat after me.
Ready? Here we go.
I agree.
I agree with you.
Do you agree?
Great job. Now, I have a funny story about this.
Oh, tell us.
When I was learning English, I had a teacher. Her name was Mrs. Brown.
Okay.
One day, she asked me, Jack, do you like pizza?
A simple question.
Yes, but I said, yes, I'm agree.
Oh no.
Mrs. Brown looked confused. She said, You're agree? What does that mean?
Poor Jack.
I was so embarrassed. I said it again. I'm agree. I'm agree.
And what happened?
Finally, she understood. She said, Oh, you mean I agree.
That's so funny.
Now I always remember just I agree.
Good. So everyone, remember, don't say, "I'm agree." Say, "I agree."
Mini quiz 1.
Okay. Time for a quick quiz.
Listen and choose the correct answer.
Question. Which one is correct? A. I'm agree with my friend. B. I agree with my friend.
The answer is B. I agree with my friend.
Very good. Let's continue. Okay, now let's talk about pronunciation.
Oh, this is important.
Yes, pronunciation can change the meaning.
And sometimes it can be very embarrassing.
So true. I have a story about this.
Tell us.
This is about two words, beach and another word.
Oh, I know this mistake.
Many students mix these two words. It's a big problem.
The word beach means the place with sand and ocean.
Yes, like I love going to the beach.
But if you say it wrong, it sounds like a bad word.
Yes, so we need to be careful.
Emily, can you explain the pronunciation?
Sure, the word beach has a long E sound.
Say it with me. Beach. Make it long.
Beach. Your lips go wide like a smile.
Good. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me.
Beach.
I love the beach.
The beach is beautiful.
Perfect. Now, Emily, tell us your funny story.
Okay, this is so embarrassing.
Go on.
When I was in college, I studied in the United States.
Okay.
One day, I was talking to my American friend. Her name was Sarah.
What did you say?
I wanted to tell her about my vacation. So I said, I went to the beach with my family.
That sounds correct.
But I didn't say beach correctly. I said it too short.
Oh, no.
Sarah's eyes got very big. She said, "What? You went where?"
Oh, Emily.
I was confused. I said it again. The beach, with water and sand.
What did she do?
She said, "Oh, you mean beach. Say it long."
Oh, that must have been so embarrassing.
It was, but I learned my lesson.
Now you always say beach.
Yes, always long. So, everyone, remember, beach. Make it long. Smile when you say it.
Practice makes perfect.
All right, let's talk about another common mistake.
Yes, this one is about age.
Many students say, I have 25 years.
Yes, but in English, this is wrong.
The correct way is, I am 25 years old.
We use am, not have.
In some languages, you say I have for age, but not in English.
That's right. In English, we say I am X years old.
Let me give you some examples.
Good.
Example 1. I am 20 years old.
Example 2. My sister is 15 years old.
Example 3. How old are you?
And the answer is I am 30 years old.
Or you can say just, I'm 30.
Yes, that's shorter and also correct.
Now, let's practice. Repeat after Emily.
I am 25 years old.
How old are you?
She is 18 years old.
Excellent. Now I have a funny story.
Tell us, Jack.
When I first arrived in London, I went to a cafe.
Okay.
A friendly woman started talking to me. She asked, How old are you?
And what did you say?
I said, I have 22 years.
Oh, Jack.
She looked confused. She said, You have 22 years? You have years?
What did you do?
I didn't understand. I thought maybe she didn't hear me, so I said it louder. Yes, I have 22 years.
Oh, no.
She smiled and said very kindly, In English, we say I am 22 years old.
That was nice of her.
Yes, she was very patient. I felt so silly.
But you learned.
Yes. Now I always say I am for age.
So, everyone, Remember, use I am for age, not I have. Quiz time again.
Listen carefully. Which is correct? A. My brother has 30 years. B. My brother is 30 years old.
The answer is B. My brother is 30 years old.
Great. Moving on.
Now, let's talk about a tricky pronunciation.
Oh, yes. This one is difficult for everyone.
It's the difference between can and can't.
Many students cannot hear the difference.
And many cannot say the difference.
So, let's explain it.
The word can is pronounced quickly. Can or can.
We say it fast and soft. I can go.
But can't is different. We say the T clearly. Can't.
And we make it a little longer. Can't.
Listen to the difference. Can, fast, soft. Can't, clear, T, a bit longer.
Let's practice. Repeat after me.
I can swim.
I can't swim.
She can speak English.
She can't speak French.
Good. Now, I have a story about this.
Let's hear it.
I was at a restaurant with my English friend, Tom.
Okay.
I was at a restaurant with my English friend, Tom.
Okay.
The waiter asked me, "Can you eat spicy food?"
And what did you want to say?
I wanted to say, "No, I can't eat spicy food."
But what happened?
I said it too fast. I said, "Yes, I can eat spicy food."
Oh no.
The waiter smiled and said, "Great, I'll bring you our spiciest dish."
What did you do?
I was too shy to say I made a mistake. So I ate the spicy food.
Oh, Emily, was it terrible?
It was so spicy. My mouth was on fire. Tom asked me, "Are you okay? Your face is red."
What did you tell him?
I finally explained, "I wanted to say can't, but I said can." Poor Emily. Now I always pronounce the T clearly in can't.
So, everyone, remember, say the T clearly. Can't. Story 5. Actually. Wrong usage. Let's talk about one more common mistake.
This one is about a word, actually.
Many students use this word too much.
Yes, or they use it in the wrong way.
The word actually means in fact or really.
We use it to correct something or add surprising information.
For example, I thought the test was hard, but actually, it was easy.
Or, actually, I don't like coffee.
But many students say actually in every sentence.
Yes, like, actually, I went to the store. Actually, I bought milk. Actually, it was cold.
That's too much.
You don't need to say actually so often.
Only use it when you want to correct or surprise.
Let's practice. Repeat after me.
I thought he was American, but actually, he's British.
Actually, I've been to Paris before. Good.
Now, my funny story.
Tell us.
When I started learning English, I loved the word actually.
Why?
I thought it made me sound smart.
Oh,
So I used it all the time.
Oh, really?
Yes, I talked to my teacher and said, "Actually, good morning. Actually, how are you? Actually, I'm fine."
That's so funny.
My teacher finally said, "Jack, you don't need to say actually so much."
What did you say?
I said, "Actually, I'm sorry."
Even then.
I couldn't stop. It was a habit.
But now you use it correctly.
Yes, now I only use it when necessary.
So, everyone, use actually carefully, not in every sentence.
Last quiz. Are you ready?
Which sentence uses actually correctly? A. Actually, I woke up. Actually, I ate breakfast. Actually, I went to work. B. I thought the movie was boring, but actually, it was really interesting.
The answer is B. That's the correct use.
Well done.
Wow, we talked about so many mistakes today.
Yes, let's remember what we learned.
First, don't say I'm agree, say I agree.
Second, pronounce beach with a long E sound. Beach.
Third, don't say I have X years, say I am X years old.
Fourth, say the T clearly in can't.
And fifth, don't use actually too much. Remember, everyone, making mistakes is normal.
Yes, everyone makes mistakes when learning English.
We made mistakes too, and we still learn every day.
The important thing is keep practicing.
Don't be afraid to speak.
Even if you make mistakes, keep trying.
That's how you learn.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode.
And we hope you learned something new. Thank you so much for listening to Let's Chat English.
If you want more episodes, come back next time.
We'll have more stories, more mistakes, and more fun.
Keep practicing your English every day.
And remember, you can do it.
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye.